So our company is called Brogent Technology, and we're based in Taiwan. And our company is around 20 years for now. And then we go on IPO in 2012. And now we got 300 people in our group. Yes, and then basically not only flying theater, we also have some racing simulator stuff with our motion programming system. And also we have the content production team to produce our own content. And we also have some partnership with the Japanese IP owners. So we have the Attack on Titan IP and also the Ghost in the Shell. So we also have the total, let's say, the CGI movie and the totally animation movie as well. And then I'm Kevin Lee, and I'm in sales department. So I'm in charge of the English speaking area and also some Middle East parts. And also I specialize in selling the racing and flight simulation experience. And we are now having a new location in Hockenheim Ring, and it will be open soon in October. So yeah, yes, yeah, we can.
Congratulations to that.
Yeah. This is our flying theater, and the system is called Right. So which is focused on the movement of the pitch and also the heave. Yeah. So this kind of experience is now in the Legoland Windsor. Yeah, and it is called a Mythica. Yeah, so basically when people get on board, so first you will face backward to the dome screen, and when you get on board, you will get turned 180 degrees to face the dome screen, and then after that you can enjoy the real experience with the 3 degrees of motion and also the 4D effects like the mist, the heat, and the winds, and also we have some scents like the flowers, yeah, and the grass and the ocean, something like that, to give you the total immersive experience. Yeah, so this is what we are doing so far.
So is it like gonna stay like this, or is it going forward a little bit or upwards, or?
Oh yeah, so basically you will get lift up a bit, or you can lean. Yeah, so when we also have a location in New York Times Square. It is called Rise and White. So basically, the first thing you know is that you are dropping down to the tower. So you will get the thrill of the experience. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So after the Right, so iRide is our iconic product. So it has 6 degrees of motion, 6 degrees of freedom motion, and also now we have the 20 meter diameters LED dome screen in our headquarters right now to improve its visual experience as well. So for iRide, we have different kinds of locations, and which are very famous in European area, like Voletarium in Europa Park. Yeah, so basically it will have more motions, also the twists and turns, like the roll movement, yeah, something like that. So it is totally different from the experience with Right. And when you get on board, basically first you will sit in the motion chair, and then you will get pushed forward to face the screen. Yeah, to get you involved, and you will feel like you are flying in the middle of the sky because your feet is hanging in the middle of the sky. And when you look down, you look at also the dome screen. So it gives you a totally immersive experience. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.